It's in. So the door's in. Underneath's glued. It's flush to this edge, so it'll help support the front. Make it difficult to get this lined up. So then it'll be nice and straight. So I'm proud of that. It works. Now I gotta clean it up, drill it out. I actually think I'm going to, but that'll work. So we got the door done. Now I believe it's time to take it all apart, glue it all together, because I think in the front what I think I'm going to do is I'm going to put it on, and then there'll be another piece that goes on lower because of, you know, the make sense of this. Front of the bed on a Dodge is not like this. It has roughly, I think it was 12 inches up. It flares out and then does that. So the front of my box is going to have the front piece I'm about to put on. It'll also have another piece here, and if it's far enough I might stack another piece just so I can get a good butt up. Because what I do is I seal everything, plus I also put a butyl tape or a weather seal on the front of the box so that when it goes against that waffled, you know, waffled board, it has enough weather stripping to just seal that opening off. And it makes it, you know, it makes it last a lot longer. Keeps leaves out of it. You know, like if you park under an oak tree or pine trees here in Florida, I don't care how good it's sealed, how good your topper is and all that shit, you'll eventually have leaves inside your box. And I don't know how it does it, but it does it. I also know that my other box, the single 21, has termites, which is incredible. So probably got to rebuild that. No biggie. It hit lows, but I really wanted it to hit good lows, so probably build another 6th order single 21 box. Okay, well, I sealed the screw holes. Not all of them are perfect. This is just initial. So I did a little bit of filler, and then I had a halfway full can of, or halfway empty, depends on your perspective, of the Transtar Heavy S primer. So spray that on there, fill up my little tiny cracks, and then I need to buy some new filler because my filler's old and is hardening fucking fast. All right, so we have got the first layer of filler in, still got little gaps. Sprayed it, did some sanding. I think I figured out, I think I'm gonna take filler and run all these edges and then use the washer, because I don't have any fancy tools, but I use the washer like this. So that we'll have a coved line, and then right here, go into the corner at 45 and come out, and it should be like super seamless rolled off. I'll do it here as well, but I'll do it here with the bigger washer so that I got a wider line. But that should be smoothed out. Top I can't do it because from here all the way to here there's a 3/4 inch flange that's on the bottom of that lid. So I'll just make sure my seam's really nice. I'll fill this little notch where I dropped it. Ow, fucking stabbed me. I'll fill it with a little bit of filler and square it off, and it'll be perfect. So it's coming together. Working. Gluing up the inside, just throwing some extra mud. So it's upside down. This is the bottom of the lid. That's the actual bottom. So I did the put the top on. Now I'm just making sure all my glue up is perfect and making sure it's sealed perfect. Waiting for glue to dry.